In this video, I'll guide you through how to update your qualifications in your account profile. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to enter your information so it's saved correctly and ready to use. Let's start from your main dashboard. This is usually the first screen you see after you log in, and it's where you can access all the main sections of your account. Take a moment to make sure you're on the dashboard page, not inside any specific tool or subpage. If you're unsure, look for a home or dashboard option in the main menu and click it to get back there. From the dashboard, look for the Accounts section. This might appear as a menu item at the top of the page, in a sidebar on the left, or as part of a drop-down menu. Click on Accounts to open up your account-related options. You may see several choices here, but what you're interested in is your personal profile. Go ahead and select Profile. This should take you to a page that shows your personal details, such as your name, contact information, and other basic settings. Once you're on your profile page, take a second to confirm you're in the right place. You should see your own account details rather than general settings. Now, within your profile, look for a section labeled Qualifications. Sometimes this might be under headings like Professional Details, Education and Skills, or something similar, but typically it will be clearly named Qualifications. Click into the Qualifications section to open it. Here, you'll be able to add the necessary information about your background. This can include things like your degrees, certifications, licenses, training courses, or any other formal qualifications that are relevant. If there's an option to add a new qualification, look for a button or link that says something like add qualification, or plus. Select that to start entering your details. You'll usually see a set of fields to complete. Common fields include the name of the qualification, the institution or organization that issued it, the date you obtained it, and sometimes an expiration or renewal date if it's a time-limited certification. Type in the information carefully and accurately. If you're not sure of an exact date, use the closest accurate month and year, and make sure the institution name is spelled correctly, as this can help with verification or internal checks. If there's a description or notes box, use it to briefly explain what the qualification covers, especially if the title alone isn't very clear. Keep your description short but informative, focusing on what's most relevant for this account or platform. After you've entered all the necessary information, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom or top of the section. Click Save and wait a moment for the page to refresh or confirm that your changes have been applied. It's a good idea to quickly review the qualifications section again to make sure everything looks correct and is listed the way you expect. That's all you need to do. From the dashboard, go to Accounts, open your profile, navigate to Qualifications, and add the information that applies to you. Once it's saved, your profile will reflect your updated qualifications and be ready for whatever you need to use it for.